From Cambodia. We are in Sihanoukville and we are starting our day off with a morning horse ride. It is beautiful weather. Hadley's enjoying the horses. Mommy's bringing up the rear. Haddy leading the way. You have a boy horse.
I have a real boy horse.
Yep. Yeah, you do. Guys.
Mai mẹ đi. Mai.
Mom's got a stick.
You're yielding the power. It's like the fear, right? Your kid just knows that you're gonna get in trouble. Well, my horse knows he's gonna get in trouble. How you doing, baby bear?
I'm doing great.
Do you love the horseback riding? Good.
So we finished a nap after horseback riding, and now we are down at Otres Beach, having a stroll through the water. A little bit of cloud, but just beautiful. Hadley searching for crabs. Mommy walking in the surf. You found some crab trails? How was your horseback riding this morning?
I'm a very stubborn ass.
You were riding a donkey.
Not at all like the world planned that.